Jackie from Fashion History asked if you and I wanted to go to Midtown tomorrow. I think we should go. It'd be fun.
I would love to. I just have to be with Victoria. She asked me to help her get ready for this party she's going to.
Oh, can't we just go after? I mean, how long does it take to help someone get ready?
Yeah, I guess, but I also wanted to work on a portfolio for an internship.
The Fashion Week one?
Yeah.
Doesn't only one person get in? I mean, it's known to be like impossible.
Well, might as well try.
No. Yeah, for sure. You're super talented, Ian. I think you should just be realistic. You know what? You've inspired me. I'm gonna submit a portfolio to you. I'm gonna tell Jackie I'm not going.
Victoria, what are you doing here?
Well, you left so early and, like, you didn't grab anything to eat, so I just got you something.
Thanks. Victoria, you know you're not supposed to be in here.
I was just looking.
Hi, Viv. Oh, hi, Victoria.
Hey, Charlotte.
What are you doing here?
Oh,
I was
she was just about to leave.
Oh.
Yeah, I was just about to leave. Bye, Charlotte.
Why is your sister always here?
I don't know.
Viv, these are really good. No, I'm serious. Like, maybe take the sleeves off of that one and change the fabric for this one. But besides that, you're doing really great.
Thanks.
All right, well, I gotta get back to work. How much longer are you staying here?
Just a few more tweaks and I'll be out.
Oh, well, I'm leaving. Good night, Vivian.
Bye.
Vivian, what are you doing?
The fabric now.
The fabric store isn't even open. Vivian! Vivian, stop! Vivian!
No, Victoria, I need to finish this by tonight.
Well, I needed you to help me get ready for my party, and you weren't even there. You were at the studio again!
Victoria, this isn't some dumb hobby for me. This is my life, so I'm sorry I don't want to help you get ready for some stupid party, but this seemed a little more important than that.
Do you even hear yourself right now? The world is not going to end because you didn't get what you want. You know that, right?
Is that what you think this is? Some mindless hobby? I am in the studio every day, every night. I don't care what it takes. I am going to be a designer. It could kill me, and I would still live for it.
Well, clearly it already has. Vivian, no one is going to want to hire a self-destructive designer. I'm serious. People don't want to work with self-destructive people. Please, let's just go home. We can do all of this tomorrow.
You're right.
Hello, Vivian, and congratulations on this internship. This is a very high-intensity job, and you are expected to be on time, come in uniform, and be ready to work. Don't forget to be on your best behavior and maintain a positive attitude throughout your time.